this is for Year 10 Methods Pathway. So we're going to look at question 11 and 12c from the chapter 3 view. So for question 11c, we're trying to simplify the following fraction. So we've got 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1. Now, the tricky part here is that this factorization is actually a cross product. It's a non-monic cross product. Now, you could recognize this as perfect square, but if you don't, it's okay. You could go 4x x or 2x 2x, and your only combinations for 1 are 1 and 1 and 1 and 1. So we're going to check out which one actually gives us our negative 4. Now, 4 and 1 can never give you negative 4, okay? So we'll have to look at the second one. So it's negative 1 and negative 1. So we've got 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1, divided by 2x minus 1. So as you can see, we can cancel the 2x minus 1 here and here. So you're left with 2x minus 1 as the answer. Okay. Now, how can I tell it's a perfect square, like without having used cross product? I know 4x squared is a square number, and I know 1's a square number. The square root of 4x squared is 2x. The square root of 1 is 1. If I times 2x by 1, I get 2x, and we know 4x is double that, so that works out. So that's why it's a perfect square. So you can factorize it directly by going 2x and 1 here, and because the middle term is negative, you just put a negative sign there. Okay. For question 12c, we're just combining the two fractions together. So we've got 3x minus 2 on 10 minus x plus 5 over 6. Now, I need to get the denominators the same. So the lowest number that they both go into is 30. Okay, you want the lowest common multiple. Okay, because if you choose a high number like 60, like normally you'll go 10 and 6 both go to 60. That's correct, but it creates problems later on because you need to simplify it later, and people forget to do that. So it's better to do the step right and choose the lower number. Okay, so I need to times this by 3 to get to 30. So I need to times the top by 3. So 3x times 3 is 9x minus 6. And I need to times this by 5. So you got 5x plus 25. Now you've got to be careful here. Because I have a negative here, that negative belongs to both the 5 and the 25. So it's like you can think of that as a mini bracket there. Okay, so a lot of students make the mistake of going, the negative only belongs to the 5x. It doesn't. It belongs to 25x as well. So you got to be mindful of that. So you got 9x minus 6 because it's now over 30 minus 5x minus 25. Okay, so again, it's like expanding your bracket with a negative at the front. So we've got 9x minus 5x is 4x. Minus 6 minus 25 is minus 31 over 30. Now, I can't simplify that any further because 4, 31, and 30 don't go into something, they don't have a common factor. So you just leave it. Hopefully that helps.